Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, it says, what is the value of x in this triangle? Okay, I put on the angle rules above because I feel the more times you look at them, the better off you're going to be. Okay, we're going to use a couple of them here. Okay, the first one we're going to use is right up here. It's called the straight line. And that states that any straight line is 180 degrees, right there. 180, okay? So that means that this here, I'm going to, let's turn it to green. Okay, green. Okay, that this here is 180 degrees. And that this here is 180 degrees. Okay, so knowing that fact, we got 110, we got 180 minus 110 makes 70. So that this angle in here is 70 degrees. Hey, that's easy. Okay, we got that. And now the other one, we got 180 minus 120, it equals 60. So that means this angle in here is 60 degrees. Hey, look at that. We already know 2. Okay, now the next one we're going to use, right up the top here. Okay, it says triangle. Okay, it says the triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, so let's turn to red. Okay, we're going to go back to red. Okay, so that means if we take the 60, the 70, and the 60, that equals 130. We know the whole triangle is 180. So we get 180 minus 130. What do we get? 50. So that means the missing angle x here, x, is 50 degrees. Let's square this off so the teacher knows my answer is 50. And hey, right here, angle B, 50 degrees. And that was all there was to it. But take note of how neat I wrote. I like to write neat like that and kind of separate things. So that way you can go back at the end of the test before you hand it in. Never be the first to hand it in. Always be the last. They're flipping the lights on. They're kicking you out of the class. Okay? Go back and check all your math. Okay? Make sure you took 180 minus 120 and came out with 60. That you didn't make a silly mistake and come out with 50. Because what that's going to do, it's that 10 is going to change your answer would be D. Okay, it's just going to throw it off because they probably accounted for any little mistake you could make, and they gave you an answer that would fit that mistake. Okay, so you might think you have it, and you don't. Okay, so always go back and check all this work. Check all your addition, subtraction, and say, hey, I got the correct answer. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help my YouTube ratings. If you have any mathematical friends, please share this with them, or students in school, because they might see this type of question. I'm sure they will on some exam they're doing. Okay, and they're going to look at it and say, oh yeah, I know how to do this. I watched Mr. Stone do it. We can do this. Okay, and thank you very much and have a good day now. Take care. Bye-bye.